Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your username on Redecor. So let's get started. First of all, open Redecor on your device. Wait for some time until the game gets fully loaded. Next, tap on Design as Guest, or you can also sign into your account if you have one. After that, you can find Gear button on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here, select player name and then tap on the blank space and then make necessary changes. After that, tap on confirm and that's it. This is how you can change your username on Redecor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.